Previously, I said that pages are organized in parent-child relationships or hierarchical relationships rather than by categories and tags. Now I'm going to show you what I mean by that. To create an example, I've created an additional page on my site. Is this one called Code of Ethics. All I've done here is added a little bit of text that says, this site follows the code of ethics for bloggers, social media, and content creators set out by me on designisphilosophy.com. And this links to the original article I wrote about a code of ethics for bloggers, social media, and content creators. I encourage you to read this and apply it to your site, but that is separate from what we're talking about right now. In this page, I've also added the short version of the code of ethics. And what I want to do now is make this page a child of the About page, because I don't think it's necessary to have this as a main item on my main menu. I don't have to manage the menu to make this happen though. Instead, I'm going to make this page itself a child of the About page. To do that, I need to go back into my dashboard, go to Pages, find the page in question, and here I can either use Edit or Quick Edit. So let me do Edit first. I'll open the page. And now you see, because I have more than one page, I have an extra attribute under Page Attribute that's called Parent. By default, all new pages are set to have no parent, but once you have more than one page, you can select any other page within your system and make that page a parent. You can also make full hierarchies here, so you can have a main parent page and then a child page, and then you can make another page as a child of the child page. So right now I'm going to make the About page the parent of the Code of Ethics page and click Update. And just by doing that, and here I'll open the site in a separate tab, you'll see that now Code of Ethics is no longer on my main menu, but if I hover over About, it becomes a sub-item that I can navigate to. You can also manage this function by going to All Pages and then using Quick Edit. If I open Quick Edit for my pages, you'll see it looks much like Quick Edit for posts. Here I have my title and my slug and my date and password and so on. And here I have the parent attribute. I can drop this down and change it in any way I want to, and then update the page very quickly. So using this parent-child relationship, you can create intuitive relationships between pages. So when people visit the site, they intuitively understand where different sets of information belong under. For example, if you have a main page called Legal, and then under that one you have 3 pages, you have Terms and Conditions, you have Privacy Policy, and you have Cookies Policy, you can place them all as children of the Legal page, and then you'll only have Legal in your main menu, and then the 3 pages underneath. Later in the course, we'll look at how you can customize menus so that you can create these types of relationships without actually having parent-child relationships inside the pages themselves, but I still urge you to use the parent-child relationships between pages when that is appropriate.